Welcome to Kuber Kushagra AI. We are actively developing an AI system to help with stock related decisions. Please note that these videos are for education purposes only, and you should do your thorough research before following our actions. We are dedicated to transparency and showing the results of this AI engine regularly. All right, so let us jump into today's stock idea. So, what we have seen is HDFC Bank, and this is for a long term, has declined quite a bit, but it is again on the rise. Now, right now, this share is trading at 1440 rupees, and the upper circuit or the target for this share would be 1745 rupees with a stop loss of 1381. Using this strategy in the past, we were able to make around 5% of profit over a period of average of 52 days. So this is a relatively long-term hold, but HDFC is a very good stock, and this may just be beneficial. Also, let us look at some of the stock ideas that we had shared earlier. So I'll start right again with the. So before I share HDFC Bank, even in the near term, what has happened is HDFC Bank rose up using the Bollinger Bands and rose down, and now, sorry, went down, and now what has happened is the bands are very, very narrow. Usually, what happens in such cases is once it has gone down and there are not narrow bands, the direction reverses. So there's a good possibility that HDFC Bank may go up eventually. Let's have a look at some of the stocks that we had recommended earlier. So we had suggested rallies. It rose more than 5%, but now it has started to dip. So there is a sell call on rallies. Book the profits and get out of the stock. We had reached the target and have slightly come down again. So it is time to sell Rallies India Limited. Also, for IGL is still going up. We have already made a profit of nearly 7.5%, and we have a new target of no 446, but then that has also breached. So I would say continue holding this particular stock, and then the moment it starts to dip, it would be time to sell, like we suggested today for rallies. Again, CG Power, we had seen that it had risen by 5.5%, but we have seen a little bit of dip, but still, we have made good profit in CG Power. So it is time to sell this, I think. It may still go up, but it's always better to book profits and or at least have a stop loss where we do not lose any more money. So CG Power, definitely book your profits and exit. And UNOM India, UNOM India, sorry, Minda Limited. Now this stock has started to go down, so it's time to sell this one. Let's cut down our losses. It has, in fact, it is very, very close to the lower circuit right now. And the last one is Tata Communications. Tata Communications is still rising. I would not sell this yet. I'll hold on to this, but the moment it starts declining, it may be a good idea to sell this one. So this is all we have for today. Thank you for watching. And once again, I want to remind you that these are very risky decisions, and the market being volatile, please do your own research and use this video for education purposes only. Thank you.